Hello everyone. I don't know if this works, but um I'm gonna try it out. But today I received a package of the new Billie Eilish figure that came out, the music series. Um it's not much to it. It's kinda hard to do this with one hand, but as you can see this is from a video when the party's over. Simple pictures like that. The little description that says eco-friendly, nothing else. And I'll show the unboxing right now. Alright, so I had to change locations. And yeah, this is basically it out the box. Let me see if I could get into a shadow. Sorry if there's any shaking. I didn't want to deal with all the papers and, well, not the papers, taking everything out one by one. As you can see it. Here it is up close. This is rubber right here. Surprisingly, it's rubber. But like you have to be very careful because from experience, from what I've seen so far, it gets very loose. But right here, it's cut. I don't know if this is only my figure or anybody else's figure, but that portion right there is cut. But yeah, it has like I don't know if it'll show it, ball joints. This is double knee ball joints right here. The back of it has like a nice hard plastic texture to it. Little plastic nails. So that's what it is. And sorry for the shaky camera. And the diagramma or whatever it is. I'm kind of disappointed that this wasn't actually like oh shit, uh like actual mold, like the actual stand. It's just cardboard. Instructions that installs a cardboard for the figure. And to scale it, it's smaller. It's like 6 feet. It says there in the box. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much to tell besides it. Like, oh yeah, you can move it. Oh right, and it comes with the little with the, oh shit, where is it at? I forgot where it's at. The little jar thing. Let me see if I can find it. Alright, so I found a jar. It was under the papers. The little jar she uses. You just like grab it, attach it, if it works. And yeah. There you go. Like I always take it out the little piece of plastic. Just gotta be careful because of the rubber mold it has. Because this right here is rubber and stuff will get into it if you're not careful. So yeah. This would be the figure. Double jointed knees. So it's good for articulation for those who pose. And yeah, I'll leave a link in the description if anybody cares. And if you have something nice to say, then I will reply to you. Otherwise, bye.